Morning guys, hello, evening, late evening, or late afternoon, sorry, it's 4:25 a.m. We'll start in 5 minutes. 5 minutes, get the questions and tickets in. Let's go, let's go, let's go. One minute till we start, guys. 1 minute. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We'll see how many people join. I might just stop this early because I know it's Friday and not many people will join, but we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. All right, what up, everybody? Hello, 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 hello. What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? How is everybody doing? What has everybody got planned this weekend? What is everybody doing this weekend? What has everybody got planned? What has everyone got planned this weekend? Bitcoin is at all-time highs. Been banging on the table about this one. I finally got in Bitcoin. Crazy, 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 crazy. Insane. Check it out. Breakout of this chart pattern. This chart pattern is an ascending triangle. Ascending triangle is a bullish continuation pattern, meaning price should go up. See this? And it's breaking out. Perfect, perfect, perfect example of an ascending triangle. Hello, I think it's Friday. You are correct. It is Friday. Short day for me, only here for like 20-30 minutes after open, and then I'm gone. Hello, people better unload their bags. Yeah, they better. I will not be touching this. I don't care about this play. SOUN going up. It sure is. Also been banging on about that one, whoever's been in this live stream for a while. I like, for me, this one, I like this play a lot. This, SOUN, SoFi, what are the other ones? RGTI, not really. I like, this is a very good play though. I like this setup a lot. Definitely a good play. Obviously D or DD on this, but I just like the play overall. Heading to demand zone here, possible entries for reload. So SOUN heading into demand zone. LUNR, is that crypto as well? Or no, I can't remember. I think it is, right? Finally breaking out. It's finally breaking out. Finally breaking out. Guys, like up the stream. Let's go. Push the gas today. It's Friday. Be nice. Come on. I know we can get more people in here as well. Tell your grandmother, ex-girlfriend, boyfriend, cat, dog, get them in. Yeah, Luna's breaking out. We have a resistance level here next, 1216. And here. Looks good, you know, it looks good. Get the questions in, guys. Get some questions. People think they must just post tickers. No, don't just post tickers. Give me some questions, trading related, anything in general. I'm a normal human. You can get to know me. I'm a normal person. So don't just put a ticker. It's boring. No one learns from just getting a ticker. We don't care about that. SGN, this was unbelievable pre-market. This was an insane move. Insane. From here to here, 110%. Crazy. At the moment, you are in a downtrend based on the 5-minute. You could be in a falling wedge, actually. But we need to hold $3. Where's VWAP? I think it's like just below it. Yeah, it's just below VWAP. I like it above VWAP. The reason is when a stock's above VWAP, it indicates that the stock is in a bullish trend. That is what it is. Falling wedge is a bullish reversal pattern as well. So look on the left-hand side, we went from a bullish trend. Now we are pulling back a little bit into this wedge, falling wedge to go up, hopefully. If not, have a stop loss. That's what I suggest. BMNR. I think this one got halted down yesterday. What's this at? Yeah, I mean, entry's only about 69.78. I personally don't trade so like this. Hood. I see everyone's questions. Love it. Great. Keep them coming. I'll get to them in a bit. Just bear with me. Yeah, this is insane. This has had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means 4, 8, 12. Nearly 3 months green weeks. Sorry, nearly 4 months straight green. We've got 10 weeks in a row of green. That's insanity. $100 is your big level on this. I personally wouldn't buy this now. I don't like, especially $100, big significant level here. Or psychological level, not significant. What I'm on about. Yeah, see this? $100 is your key level. Close above that, maybe, yeah, but nothing right now. Major resistance at $100. Obviously, I don't think it's been $100 before, so it's even bigger. Hi, Tiger. I don't want to join Discord for trading signals. I want to actually learn how to trade. Can I become profitable at consistent practice? Amazing, amazing question. Or not even question, but that's amazing. That's what you are telling me is exactly what I want to hear. Our Discord, we give alerts. That's all good and well. We don't give many, but we do give alerts, right? We give option alerts, we give swing trading alerts, we give day trade alerts, but our Discord is education. We teach you how to trade. So if you want to learn how to trade, the Discord is the place. Our strategy is there, how we're charting all these lines, how to read the candles, what strategies we use, how we enter the trades. For example, when I give an alert, it is based on the strategies that I teach, which are on your what portal to watch. So if you want to join the Discord, that is what it is there for. That's our goal, is to give you the education. We're not an alert service. We're not robots. We don't give many alerts. We give maybe, I would say, I don't know, maybe like 6, 7 max a day total between myself and Hassi. Yesterday I took one trade and it ran like 70-80% or something crazy. So yeah, if you want to join, Discord is the best in my opinion. Good morning, Tiger. What up, what up, what up? Good morning. What up, Kobe? BTCM. All the Bitcoin plays are moving. Look, I will even put them. A list of Bitcoin plays. Or blockchain plays. Blockchain plays that run with Bitcoin, right? Mara, Hut, Riot, Can. Obviously, someone's going to say, no, this one, this one. Yes, I know there are loads. I don't know all of them. I'm just giving the ones that I know off the top of my head. BKKT, Hollow's one now as well. CLSK, I've done that one. This BTCM. What's the other one? There's another B one. A list of blockchain plays that runs. Mara, Hut, Riot, Can, CLSK, BKT, Hollow, BTCM. Let me look at some other ones. Give me a sec. I'm going to put this out as a tweet so you guys can save it. Blockchain stocks. Wolf. BTCT. Wolf. You can list more below. Alright? There you go. I'll put it for everyone to see. There you go. That runs. That run. If I can write correctly. Let me just, one sec. Just bear with me, guys. I see all the questions. Just give me a second. Right there. You can write below and put some more if you want to. It's up to you. Good morning, BTCM. Yeah, BTCM here right now is nothing. Nothing's going on with BTCM. There. BTCM above 661 looks good. I wouldn't buy it right now. It's not my kind of setup. Entries above 661. It's in a bearish trend. Difficult to trade right now. If you want to buy it just on the basis of Bitcoin, up to you then. Hello, Tiger. Hello, my friend. Can you check CGTL? CGTL doesn't have much volume. Yeah, nothing unless 153. Candle close above 153, then you can take the trade. Nothing on this right now. No good, no good, no good. Hi, Tiger. Recently started following. Oh, one sec. What up, what up? Hi, Tiger. Recently started following you and love your content. Are you based in Dubai? Yes, I am. I grew up here. I've lived here for over 20 something years. If you join Discord group, spend a week or two going through all the educational, you'll gain a wealth. That is right. You see, listen to Fig. Fig is one of our traders who's been with us for a very long time. He's doing fantastic. He does some of the old strategies that we teach, but he still does it, and it works for him. ABVA is looking great. Above here, look, should continue to go up. As long as it breaks this 423, doesn't break this low here at 378, you should be fine. Should we get into SoFi now? Up to you. I like it long term, but it's up to you. If you enter the trade, please make sure to have a stop loss and target. Where you have your target and stop loss, it's up to you. ABVA, yeah. Good morning. On some of the breakouts, if it might reach, it might be out of reach if wait for 5-minute level hold. Other sometimes you can retest. If a stock is very volatile, if it has a lot of volume and it's moving up and down very quick, I use an impulse entry. If something is a little bit slower, then I will wait for confirmation. I'll wait for a close above. That's what I do. So something like Hollow is very volatile. I would use an impulse entry. That means as soon as it breaks a high, I would look for an entry. This is a high here you can use for an impulse entry. You don't need to wait for a close above. When something is less volatile, then you will need confirmation. So candle body will need a close above. Once that close above, then you can wait for it to break that high to continue to go up. That's something you can do. Yeah, Oscar looks good for a swing. Hassie's looking, oh, not yet. No, not now, not now. It's coming down. Above 1747 looks good. I wouldn't be taking this right now. It's coming down. Any hope for NRIX? Is there any hope? At the moment, no. No hope. There's Bob Hope, and then there's this, which is no hope. Which is no hope. Let me get more people in here. It's Friday. We should have like 700 people in here. Live trading session. Give me that. Right, posted. Right, I see all the questions. Just bear with me. I see all the questions. I love it. Great. Just keep it coming. And I know, right, goodbye for 2-month holding. Guys, in my opinion, I'm not a long-term trader. I'm not a swing trader. All I do is trade based on technicals. Riot will run with Bitcoin. Whatever Bitcoin does, it will follow. That's it. If you like Bitcoin and you believe Bitcoin's good, then yes, I believe that Riot is good. But up to you. Bitcoin's broken all-time highs. It's a decision where you don't really know what's going to happen. Normally, it means that it should continue to go up, but how high is it going to go before it comes down? So it's up to you what you decide. You decide what you think. Don't go and full port it. GNS here, this is my prediction. It needs to hold this like 140 level to continue to go up. Will it be able to break? When will it be able to? I don't know when it'll break down. Will we? I don't know if he'll break $2, to be honest. I just look at the chart, and the chart is telling me that there is a possible break above, which it has. Retest here means retesting, means pull back to this level here to continue to go up, as the yellow line suggests. It doesn't mean it's going to come to this exact line. It could come here, could come to here, could come here, wherever. It's just a kind of a guideline to show you what I expect to happen. Break and retest. That's what it is. You can look it up. ZBAI. What time is ZBAI? ZBAI above 0.6. Above 0.6, you have a double top here, so above this level looks good for entries. I personally wouldn't enter now. Thanks a lot. BTCT. Give me one sec, guys. Hi guys, sorry, I just had someone at the door. ABV, thanks a lot. BTCT is my comfort, which breaks yesterday. I'm waiting for it to break. BTCT, let's have a look. BTCT. 549 is a good level as well. Yeah, at the moment, 468, what did you say? 475, yeah, you could wait for that level, 475. Yeah, not bad. Guys, Hollow is a complete risk. It's a high risk trade. That's all I can tell you. It's a very high risk trade. That's all I will say. It's a high risk trade. Do what you want to do. For me, it's not my style of trading. I don't trade like this. I don't trade these pumps and come straight down and go up. That's too much volatility. I don't know how to trade something like that. It's impossible to know what will happen. If you want to take it, you could take an impulse entry, as I was mentioned earlier. Impulse entry above 1062, right? If it gets above 1062, then you can take the trade. Have a stop loss, have a target. ABVE, went over that one already. Proc, bullish pennant. Where's Proc? Needs to hold this. I don't know. It's Friday. I don't know what will happen with this, to be honest. It's Friday, so it's difficult. Bullish pennant. What makes it more probable to go up? The bullish trend. Look at the left side. Bullish trend to continue to go up. It's a continuation pattern. If it came from the downside, or from up here, sorry, all the way down, it expects to go down. Bearish pennant comes from the downside, or sorry, upside. This comes from down here to up. That makes sense. EVAX, haven't had this one in a while. Nothing on this. I know there might be volume or something, but nah, it's not my kind of setup, to be honest. Personally, not interested too much on this. Maybe above this wick high 290. ABVE, guys, here's ABVE. Everybody please look, pay attention, listen. Here we go. You can mark this level now if you want to. 423 to take an entry. The trend is still in an uptrend, which is bullish. Maybe you can buy on this trend line. I personally don't buy on trend lines. I wait for my strategy. I wait for falling wedge, or I wait for a candlestick strategy setup to look for entries. XR, what's happening with XR? Guys, just like up the stream. Let's see here. We got 90 people in here. Guys, we have 20 likes and 90 people. I know we can get more. I know we can get more. I know we can. It's not hard. Just get it in. Get the like button. XR, there's nothing on this. Absolutely nothing unless 2.30. XR, no entries. Unless 0.235. Alright. Above 0.235 is a good entry point. I personally wouldn't enter now. Too bearish, no sign of reversal for me. I went over Oscar already. You can go back and try and find that one that I went over. OPTT is nothing unless 0.6. People are banging on about it. I'm assuming there's news coming. Probably is news coming because everyone talks about this when there's news coming. So yeah, what up? What up, bro? What up, what up, what up? Mullen, biggest pump and dump stock in the whole of the US stock exchange. Look at Mullen and you tell me. I will hold it here for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Goodbye. KWM, nothing on this. Straight up, straight down, looks like a pump and dump, down 16% yesterday. Yes, it might be reversing. For me, it's not my style. It's not in a bullish trend. I don't like this setup. Maybe above 0.575 if you need to. I'm also learning to buy for the last 4 years. Can we do a meet and greet or something for people here? I'd love to meet you. Yeah, I know. I have quite a few people in Dubai as well who want to meet. I need to just try and figure out like how I would do it, when the best time and stuff would do it. But it's definitely something I'd like to do because I'd like Hassie to be here as well. I'm a bit late. Yeah, bro. What up, Ali? Ali, yeah, you're late. You're late. Thank you for explaining the breakout. No problem. Bob Hope reference. KWM. Is everyone waiting for KWM or what's going on? KWM, there's nothing unless 575. For me, I'm not interested. Olo is just a gamble play. If you want to gamble and throw your money away, then focus on this play. For me, I am not interested. Sorry. SPY, what's happening in SPY? SPY, SPY, SPY. We have a gap fill here for our chart. What happened to SPY yesterday? Tanked. We have a gap fill. You have a gap fill right here. So look, you see this? So when it has a gap fill, you enter at the start of the gap fill. That's not the best way to do it. It's not the correct way to do it. It's the way that I've learned and the way that I do it. If you want to follow that way, you can. If you want to do another way, however you do another gap fill way, then you can do that. I'm just giving my point of view and my education. There are billions of ways to trade. More than billions, quadrillions ways of trading. SPY has a 4-hour gap fill. Gap fill just means if it breaks above the start of the gap fill, there's a high probability it will fill the gap. That's it. All right, let me look at these likes quickly because I know that people aren't liking the right thing. Guys, you need to like the actual video, not on the chat. Look, I can spam the chat. It's easy, but it doesn't mean anything. Right, ZK, 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 ZK. ZK has no volume. Oh, ZK, is this the car? These cars are so sick. There's loads of them in Dubai. They are cool. Cool. The overall chart is not my style. Yeah, not really. It's too difficult to chart something like this. I wouldn't trade it. But if you're in a long term, you like the company, fair enough. Maybe above 28. But if that's Zika that I'm thinking about, then yeah. If not, then I don't know. Zika's the Chinese car. Another one, OXBR, absolutely no volume. Not too sure why you're watching this. Maybe above the highs here, like $2.40. $2.40 MSTX. Overall trend is bullish. Here are your next key levels. One here, 49.33. And then, what is this? 48.50, 47.50. 47.5. There you go. Got it? MSTX, MLGO. MLGO, someone asked me about MLGO as well earlier. Here's MLGO. I don't like this play. The trend is too bearish for me. I don't like to trade something like this. Yes, I understand it has a volume spike or it's running great, exciting stuff. For me, I'm only interested above 0.89. That is all I would focus on. Put an alert. It's very easy. All you have to do is go to 0.89, right click, click. Create alert above 0.89, or you can type it in and then it will come up. And whenever it gets 0.89, you get an alert on your phone and then you go, okay, cool. Let me look for a setup and then you take the trade. That's it. Entries are only above 0.89. But yes, it looks like there's volume coming in. That's all good and well, but I don't have enough confirmation. BTOG. BTOG, I'm not interested right now, but it still has volume. I like this setup because you're in a demand zone here. It's like the last red candle. If you want to understand how to draw the demand zone like I've just done, there's a whole seminar, 2 seminars on it in the Discord. In the Discord. Demand zone. Here's the link here. This is the link right here for the Discord. You can click that link and then you'll have it there. BTOG here, just in demand zone. Needs to hold demand zone into open. Needs to hold demand zone into open. Demand zone is where buy step in. Buy step in, price goes up. That is usually what happens. DLXY. What are these stocks you guys are giving me here? What are these stocks? There is nothing on this play. What is this? No, nothing. Trash. No, 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 no. I trade small caps and I trade the ones that have volume. This has zero. Nothing is going on with this. Maybe above $5 if you want to take it. RGC, another former runner. This thing's getting absolutely smoked. Nothing. Go to the 4 hour, get this wick, go to here, draw the trend. What is the trend showing? Is that an uptrend or a downtrend? For me and Stevie Wonder, we can both see that this is bearish. Bearish means downtrend, means sellers in control, meaning higher probability to go down. If you want to do that and take that position when it's higher probability to go down, you can do so. Right. Here is SMCI. Bullish chart, great stuff. Broken out of this bull flag. Very nice. Broken out. Here we go. Maybe retest this trend line to continue to go up. This is my prediction. Let's see if it does it. This is my SMCI prediction. SMCI prediction. 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 Game. Game is not doing anything. Okay, so game, I would mark this level right here. Right click it. Right click. Game. Create alert 243. Take the trade above that. So I would just wait. Entries are above 243. 243, 243, 243. Hello everyone on this beautiful day. What up, my friend? Happy Friday. Let's go. What's happening with Amazon? Amazon is just ranging right now. You're ranging. You are ranging. Ranging means there is no clear trend of which direction it will go. It's just consolidating. So for that purpose, I don't really know what will happen. Unfortunately. So you have this, we'll just use like this wick here. There you go. Very nice. 226, 225, 5. There. These are your Amazon levels. Amazon key levels. Thank you. No problem. No problem. A lot of thanks. That's what I like to see. Everyone just says, chart this, chart that, chart this, chart that. Guys, I'm also a human. I'm a human. I'm typing this. I'm not AI or robot. SGN. Wow. Who was at the start of the stream? What did I say about this? If you have ears, you remember. If you have eyes, you remember. And if you have a brain, you remember. Falling wedge is a bullish continuation pattern. Sorry, bullish reversal pattern. Apologies. Perfect. Strong trend. Consolidate to go up. See that? Right, I'm going to choose a couple more and then I'm going to head to Discord. I've got to sort out a few things. A lot of questions here in the Discord, so I have to help them out. Agri spike. SGN is opportunity. AMD close above 146. I don't know. Friday is a little bit tricky to know what will happen to the market. Probably a lot of profit taking. Above 146. Yeah. At the moment, no. There's no chance of it getting above 146. Why? Because it's going down. If it breaks this low here, it is going to go down. 142.90. Does that make sense? Thanks. BMGL, 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 BMGL. BMGL, nothing exciting on this. Yeah, downtrend right now. Wait for the downtrend to break, close above downtrend, then maybe it looks good. That's how I would say. All right, let me go through my watches quickly. I'll be done. What are the stocks? All these ones on the left here. The blue are over $1, orange are under $1. Ignore these. But these are all the plays. These are all just the top gainers. These are just the top gainers. These are all the pre-market movers on here. This is how I create my watches every day. Click that link. It's pre. Click pre, and that's pre-market. Hollow 1062 is your impulse entry. ABVE, we can watch 423 for an entry. SGN's breaking out, looks good. You're getting a resistance here though, so be careful of this. Like a triple top. What else do you have? You have SQNS, runner yesterday. This was my play that I alerted yesterday before everyone tried to get onto this. I gave you this prediction early on. I gave a reasoning why I took this trade. I alerted it in the Discord with perfection. Who remembers this? Look at that perfection. Let me actually find this chart. Everybody go like this. Let's see how many people are going to go and like this. Are you ready? This is a pretty cool chart. I know people like this. Ready? SQNS. This aged well. Go onto Twitter and everybody like this up. Let's see. Go like it up. Like. Okay, anyways, let me see. GNS, I don't trade this play. I just have it there for technicals and people ask for it, so I have no issue doing technicals. FT, what's happening with this? Demand zone, I'm just going to delete this off my watch list. LMFA, same, delete off my watch list. BTOG, not really interested. ZBAI, above 0.6. That's it. All right. I'm going to head into the Discord now. If you want to join, the link is here. I will only be here on Fridays. Hassi does not trade, and I'm only here for 30 minutes after open because I have other commitments. It's 5 p.m. here in Dubai, and I have the weekend here, so lots of things are going on, and I have to go play football. Anyways, yeah, I hope you all have a great weekend. Thank you again for the support. I appreciate it. Good interactions today. Let's keep it going into next week.